Alright, this is how to fix notifications not working on your iPhone. If you discover that your iPhone notification is not working or your iPhone is not sending you notifications, then these are the quick workaround you should take. The first you want to check out is you want to check out whether you actually turn on notifications on your iPhone. So to do that, you need to go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on notifications. And here you have where to customize your iPhone notifications. So if your notification is not working, the first you want to do is you want to come to AC notification style. Under notification style, you have access to various applications. Here, click on the application where you expect notifications and make sure allow notifications is turned on. So if allow notification is turned off for that particular application, you will not be able to receive notification on the application. Again, search through and repeat this on all other applications you want to receive notification from. That's the first step. After that, you want to decide whether you want to show your notification preview or not. So if notification preview is turned off, you'll not be able to see your notifications on your iPhone screen or on the stack list. Now, go back to notifications, click on show previews. Then here is it. If you want to always see your iPhone notifications, make sure it is set to either always or when unlocked so that you'll be able to see your notification when your iPhone is unlocked. Or if this is set to never, your iPhone will not pop and you will not see it when it's unlocked. So for this purpose, set this to always see your iPhone notifications on the lock screen. And lastly, if all things are in order and you discover that you still do not see notifications on your iPhone, this could mean that you have focus mode or do not disturb turned on. To verify this, swipe at the control center. Locate do not disturb or focus mode. Click on it once, and here you want to confirm whether it is turned on. If it is, you want to go ahead and turn it off. Once turn that off, then your iPhone notifications should be working perfectly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix your notification not working on iPhone. If you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.